Deep in the quiet corners of the natural world, a remarkable creature lies hidden, unassuming, small, and often overlooked. But don't let its modest size fool you, for within this humble amphibian lies one of nature's most extraordinary abilities, the power of regeneration. A power so profound it could one day inspire breakthroughs in human medicine. Is this magic, or just one of nature's hidden tricks? Let's find out together. Meet the salamander. To the casual observer, a salamander might seem no different from any other amphibian. Its delicate limbs, soft, moist skin, and unhurried movements hint at a simple existence. But beneath this unassuming exterior lies a biological marvel, a living blueprint for renewal and repair that borders on the miraculous. Imagine this: a predator strikes and a salamander loses its tail or even a limb. For most animals, such an injury would be catastrophic. But for the salamander, it is merely a temporary setback. Within days, a complex cascade of cellular processes begins, and over weeks, that lost tail or limb grows back, perfectly formed, fully functional, as if nothing ever happened. At the heart of this phenomenon lies an intricate process. Specialized cells, called blastema cells, gather at the site of the injury. These cells have a remarkable ability. They can transform into virtually any type of tissue: muscle, bone, nerves, and even skin. Like architects with a perfect plan, they reconstruct what was lost with astonishing precision. But regeneration is just the beginning. Salamanders don't only heal, they heal without scars. Unlike humans, whose wounds often leave lasting marks, salamanders regenerate tissue seamlessly, restoring not just function, but form. This scarless healing has become the focus of intense scientific research, with the potential to revolutionize how we treat injuries. Scientists around the world are now looking to these tiny creatures for answers. How do they manage such complex regrowth? And more importantly, could humans one day harness this power? The secrets of salamander regeneration might hold the key to repairing spinal cord injuries, regenerating lost limbs, or even reversing the effects of aging. The salamander's powers don't stop at regeneration. Some species can also regrow damaged parts of their hearts, lungs, and even portions of their brains. This resilience makes them unique among vertebrates, a testament to the limitless possibilities of evolution and adaptation. There are over 700 species of salamanders, each with its own adaptations and quirks. From the axolotl, a Mexican salamander that never outgrows its aquatic stage, to the mighty Chinese giant salamander, which can reach lengths of nearly 6 feet. These creatures are as diverse as the ecosystems they inhabit. In the heart of ancient lore, the salamander was long believed to be a creature of fire, able to withstand the fiercest flames without harm. Legends tell of these elusive amphibians emerging from the heart of a roaring blaze, unharmed and undeterred, their bodies perfectly adapted to the inferno. Scholars of the medieval world, enraptured by this fiery creature, attributed to the salamander an almost mythical resilience, even suggesting it could extinguish fires with a mere touch. This mythical association with fire was so powerful that alchemists and mystics alike saw the salamander as a symbol of purification and rebirth. The salamander's affinity with fire remains a fascinating story, but one relegated to the realms of fiction, much like the fireproof dragons of old. Perhaps the most famous of all is the axolotl, often called the Peter Pan of the animal kingdom. This aquatic wonder retains its juvenile features throughout its life, a phenomenon known as neoteny. But beyond its endearing appearance lies its true superpower, the ability to regenerate not only limbs, but entire sections of its spinal cord, even parts of its brain and heart. In a world where nature often takes a backseat to human progress, salamanders remind us of the incredible biological innovations that exist in the wild. Their powers challenge our understanding of what's possible, inspiring new ways of thinking about medicine, biology, and even the future of humanity. But salamanders also teach us something deeper, a lesson in resilience and renewal. They show us that even in the face of loss, there is the potential for regrowth, for starting anew. Their story is one of hope, a testament to life's extraordinary ability to heal and thrive. The salamander may be small, but its impact on our understanding of life is immeasurable. It is a living symbol of nature's brilliance, a reminder that even the most unassuming creatures can inspire awe and transform our world. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution.